Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to take some time and look at this 2024 Ford F550. It has 170 miles on it. It's powered by a 7.3 liter V8 gas. Made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Extended cab, 4-wheel drive, 11-foot Autocrane Titan 38K service body with a 6406H full hydraulic crane, 6,400 pound maximum lifting capacity, 20-foot 2-stage hydraulic extension. Does have hydraulic outriggers, a hydraulic air compressor, and 1 set of drawers in the driver first compartment. Really nicely equipped truck all the way around. Tons of lighting on the exterior as well as interior work lights on this truck. If you do have any questions or need any additional photos, videos, or information, feel free to call or text anytime, 804-716-8487. Now the goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck as if you were here looking at it in person. So again, if you do need any additional information or would like any more up-close pictures or videos, just let me know. In the first half of the video, we're going to go over the exterior of the truck. I'm going to point out any cosmetic imperfections. We'll look at the undercarriage as well as inside of all the bins. In the second half of the video, we'll do a cold start. I'll do a drive on the truck. We'll take a look at the engine and then we'll run the crane and all the equipment on it. Now this truck is nearly new. Again, it's a 2024 model with about 170 miles. It's still under manufacturer powertrain warranty. Zero rust on the undercarriage. The frame of the truck is dry. All the bin floors are dry as well. No rust in the bed floor itself. Very clean truck all the way around, as you would expect for a 24 with nearly no miles. It is an XLT trim. So you have power locks, power windows, cruise control, cloth seats, and rubber floors. 2 key fobs with the truck. It does have remote start as well. The interior is clean and free of any rips or tears. It still smells like new. No real damage to note, no rock chips, no scratches, no dents or dings. Again, the chassis itself is basically new. Now the bed was just installed here. Brand new PTO was put on the truck. The bed was painted to match the truck. It does match really well. I think they did a really good job getting the red to match. It's pretty much dead on, both in the video and in person. It's a really good match for the red that's on the truck. New bed liner was applied to the front of the service body as well as on top of the bins and on the workbench rear bumper. We did sandblast, obviously, and then paint. We only paint the exterior of the box, so the interior has not been painted. It looks basically how it looked when it came into us. All the doors do close, latch, lock, and seal as they should. There's no rust to speak of in the bin floor. This bed did come to us out of Texas, so it started pretty dry. Couple sets of shelves here on the left-hand side, and then your torch bottle rack over here on the right. Now all the gas shocks are tight, all the door seals are good. And again, all the doors close, latch, lock, and seal as they should. We've tested all the locks. They all lock off the same key. So the same key that we have here will work to lock all of these compartments. A couple more sets of shelves here in the passenger 2 compartment. Passenger wheel well compartment is open with no shelf. The crane compartment as well is open, no shelving inside of it. 6,400 pound maximum lifting capacity, 2-stage hydraulic extension out to just over 20 feet on the crane. Hydraulic outriggers, the crane side's hydraulic extend, the non-crane side is just hydraulic up and down. This is your diverter switch here, diverts flow to the crane or to the outriggers. You do have a workbench rear bumper with a tow hitch receiver, a small pass-through bin inside of it. Not a whole lot of storage space inside of there. 2 steps on the rear bumper as well. This right side step is bent a little bit, as you can see here. Then again, new bed liner applied inside of the bed and on the top of the service body as well. The bed also has the master sliding lock system, so you can push this in and put a padlock through it and lock your doors all the way down this side. Driver rear compartment. One more thing to note about this bed, both the driver's side and the passenger side front bins are taller, so you do get a little extra storage space compared to a traditional bed where just the torch cabinet is stepped up, but you do have the stepped up bins on both sides here. Couple sets of shelves inside the driver 2 compartment. And in the driver 1 compartment, you have 1 set of Autocrane drawers as well as a shelf on top. That about wraps up this portion of the demo video. I'm gonna hop in the truck and take it for a spin, and then we'll run all the equipment on it. Just trying to put the windows up, but it won't let me do that until I turn the key on. Makes sense. Cruise control, obviously power locks and windows. USB charger down here, got a regular outlet. Now again, this truck is under manufacturer warranty. It did receive just an oil change. Obviously probably didn't even need that. Just something we do before we send trucks out. But with 171 miles, not a whole lot it needed. Powered by the 7.3 V8 gas. Tons of power. Definitely a big upgrade from the V10s. Obviously the upside is long-term maintenance costs. Replacement costs are much lower than in a 6.7. I've been really happy with the few that we've had come through here. This is, I think, the 4th or 5th 7.3 that we've had. And in terms of power, again, it's a lot better than the V10s were. Gets up and goes, gets out of its own way. Rides really nicely on the factory Continental tires. Tons of lighting all around on the vehicle, so you have 4 side mount LED work lights down both sides. All the compartments also have interior LED strip lighting. Nice and bright exterior LED work lights. You have 2 more rear mount LED work lights. one in the bed itself. Then coming along the driver's side, again, all the compartments have little interior LED strip lights that light them up. Can't really tell in the bright sunlight, but they're just thin little LED strips like so. And again, 4 more LED work lights down this side of the truck as well. Crane is run off a factory wireless Autocrane remote, individually proportioned, so the buttons, depending on how hard you press them, is how fast the crane goes. Really good speed control overall on this crane. I'm going to unshackle the pulley block, and then we'll put the crane all the way out to its full extension. All the way out to 20 feet, 6 inches. All your body lights we showed earlier are wired to the upfitter switches in the cab. Aux 2 is what the air compressor itself is wired to. You have your air hose reel up there. The air tank for the compressor as well is located inside of the bed. Well, that about wraps up this demo video. Once again, it's a 2024 Ford F550 extended cab, 4-wheel drive, 7.3 V8 gas engine, 10-speed automatic transmission with an 11-foot Autocrane Titan 38K crane body and a 6406 hydraulic crane, hydraulic compressor and outriggers. Really nice truck all the way around. Feel free to call or text 804-716-8487 if you have any questions at all. Again, this is Taylor at Truck World RVA. This is all we buy and sell. If you're looking for something slightly different, larger, different color, feel free to reach out. I have more trucks that come in on a daily basis, so even if it's not on my website, I probably have it on the way in. But thanks again for taking the time to watch this video.